The Razer Edge is a dedicated gaming handheld with strong focus on both cloud and Android gaming. Equipped with a Snapdragon G3X Gen 1 processor, a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, and 6 GB of RAM, the Edge is built to deliver smooth gameplay across multiple platforms, including Xbox Cloud Gaming, Design Build, Portability. At 401G with the Razer Kishi V2 Pro controller attached, the Edge strikes a balance between comfort and sturdiness. Display. The AMOLED display is vibrant but lacks HDR and could benefit from a higher brightness level. Large bezels and a 20:9 aspect ratio result in some wasted screen space. Gaming performance. The Razer Edge excels in cloud gaming, offering seamless compatibility with services like Xbox Cloud Gaming and GeForce Now. Its Nexus software adds a layer of customization with virtual controller mapping for touch-only Android games, enhancing versatility. Native gaming performance is strong, but more demanding games like Genshin Impact can drain the battery significantly. Battery life. The Edge achieves 8 to 9 hours of gameplay for less intensive cloud gaming, but more graphically demanding titles reduce endurance. Standby performance is also a concern. Overall, the Razer Edge is a solid choice for gamers seeking a flexible device for cloud gaming and Android-based experiences. However, improvements in display design and battery management could elevate its value. Thank you so much.